You guys ran into a non-EV
Yeah.
who got into some trouble. Why don't you guys talk about that as we're showing the video?
Go ahead, Adeel. You're the narrator on this one, anyways.
Yeah, so I mean, we pulled up to this one, and there was this truck right here was trying to be pulled by a F-150, and that guy was like trying to pull him out, but he couldn't even move it. Like his truck wouldn't do anything, so he was worried that he was gonna get stuck. So when we pulled up, Gary's like, "Oh, I'll pull this out." I'm like, "Okay, I'll go film it." So I took out my phone. So when I'm filming this, I'm actually telling the guy, I'm like, "Yeah, Ford couldn't do it," and the guy's like standing right next to
He's
me.
right next to yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Meanwhile,
So I told him what it is. I mean, I know the Ford won't be able to. And I
Well,
told the guy, I'm
I
like,
told
watch.
him. Yeah, I told him
Yeah.
when I pulled up because I saw that he was trying to yank him. We didn't get a video of that, so it was another F. I think it was an F-150, but it was 4x4.
Oh.
And he was hooked up to this truck, the dually. And then I pulled up, right next to him, and then I told him, "You ain't gonna do it with that." I know I had a Raptor. I know how
hmm
much power they have. And then he's like, I told him, but I was gonna try anyways. And then that's what Deal's talking about. He's like, "No, say Ford can't do it," but it was messed up because the guy was right next to him, and he actually filmed it. If you pay attention,
that's
And
wild.
that's like a 40-foot trailer,
yeah,
right?
I
Yeah,
put on
triple
X, I put it
tire.
was 30 foot to be gentle, but I think it's a 40 foot, and
No,
he had
that's
two side by sides inside.
yeah, no, that's that, and he's got
Yeah.
a dually. Um, that's a lot of weight. That's a lot of weight.
I
And
wonder
this is
though
this is
if the mass difference makes a big difference because obviously the F-150 is not that heavy, but like this is literally you had more momentum from that Cybertruck because you get more weight.
Well, that's a good point. So we did use a kinetic rope, right? So these ropes
hmm
are basically like I tell everybody, it has like some sort of like stretch or bungee, if you will. So it
hmm
connects, it stores that energy, but it doesn't give you that yank that you
Mm.
usually get with a
It doesn't
stiffer.
stop out.
It doesn't stop out. So in that pool, but the Cybertruck, does have a lot of torque.
Yeah,
Nobody can deny that. Nobody can deny
100%.
that. I was going to do 100%. But I did change my settings for this particular pool. So what I did was I put it in overland, and then I put it, all my diff locks, and then I just did it in regular high. Because the higher you put your truck, especially in the Cybertruck, the less power it gives. So if you have it on low and you have all your diff locks on,
hmm
you basically get your full power to the ground. And then I did full throttle it, and I yanked them out, and I just yanked them out, and it doesn't show. A deal didn't catch the very end. I pulled him out where he wanted, and then he got stuck again.
no.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So yeah, you
Yeah.
guys, that same guy. I told him, "Is this good?" He's like, "Yeah." You want me to pull you out more? He's like, "No, I could make it from here." And then he got stuck again. And I was like, "Oh god."
Do a lot of
Yeah.
people bring dualies out with that kind of trailer? Because
Yes.
that feels like
Yes.
that's
That
okay.
that
It
is a
seems like that's
very
the wrong choice for that kind of sand, regardless.
No, I mean, there's probably a lot of things this guy could have done different.
hmm
I learned. I'm not gonna laugh because it happened. This particular situation happens to anybody that's ever gone to Glamis with
hmm
a similar setup. I've gotten stuck with my Raptor and a toy hauler. You know,
hmm
so this. If you look right there in that particular angle, there's a whole bunch of those trailers. Every single one of those trailers got pulled in just like that.
Hmm.
But you do it once. So when you learn the hard way, you learn to air it everything down, the trailer, everything. And then once you air it down, you just gotta make sure and you have to gun it. You
hmm
can't. I mean, basically, it's full throttle the whole way, and you kind of have to have already a course. Like, oh, I'm gonna drive through here. I'm gonna make a turn here and wide turn, and and then usually that's what Gamis is all about. Everybody will help,
hmm
and then that's why I offer to help. So,
It's awesome.
but it was actually really cool that Elon Musk reposted. I saw Cybertruck reposted it the night before, and then Elon reposted it like the next day or something.
Yeah,
So that was
yeah,
cool.
Really cool.
yeah. And so talking about that, I mean, um,
Oh, but
you
by
know,
the way, what I'm gonna interrupt you real quick, so Eric.
no, you're fine.
I only had 7% of battery when I did that pull.
Wow.
Yeah, if you see the end of the battery, the end of the video, Adeel zooms in on the screen. I had literally we had just came back from